In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host a meeting on Skype. First up, let's navigate the world of Skype meetings, a great tool for bringing teams together, no matter where in the world they are. To kick things off, you'll need to head over to the Skype website. There you'll spot an option saying, Open Skype in browser. A click on that and if prompted, just sign into your account. It's your gateway into Skype's seamless meeting experience. Now with access granted, your next move is to find the Meet Now button. It's a straightforward feature designed to get you into hosting mode without any fuss. Clicking on this prepares Skype to set up your meeting space. Following Meet Now, your screen will showcase an option labeled Host a Meeting. This is the real deal. Clicking here signals Skype that you're ready to set the stage for your meeting. It's like telling Skype, alright, let's get this show on the road. As you continue, you'll see a button that reads, Start a Call. This magical button is what brings your meeting to life. It's essentially Skype getting everything in motion to ensure your call is up and running. Choose this, and you're almost there. Finally, to bring your team into the mix, you'll want to click on Invite. This is your tool for bringing everyone on board. Skype will provide you with a link or a way to directly invite participants from your contact list. It's the bridge connecting your meeting with the rest of your team, ensuring everyone who needs to be in the loop is in the loop. Remember, the beauty of Skype is in its simplicity and efficiency. Hosting a meeting is straightforward, but don't overlook the importance of a good setup. Ensure you're in a quiet place, your internet connection is stable, and your camera and microphone are in good working order. Small checks like these can make a big difference in how smoothly your meeting runs. And that's it. You're now ready to host meetings on Skype like a pro. It's about bringing people together effectively and efficiently, and with these steps you're well equipped to do just that. Hosting a Skype meeting is a breeze when you know the steps, and I'm here to ensure you've got all the know-how you need. So go ahead, set up your meeting and connect with your team in just a few clicks.